of the members of the National Executive has been appointed to serve the interests of a particular constituency, a particular party, or a particular section of society.
Uhulumeni omusha weNingizimu Afrika unongqongqoshe abangama-32 kanye namaphini angama-22. Baningi abantu abasha kuleli khabhinethi asebezoqala umsebenzi abangenawo amakhono awo. Ngesikhathi ekhuluma nabezindaba namhlanje, umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uqinisekisile lokhu.
The truth is that the road ahead will be a difficult one. South Africa has the highest unemployment rates in the world, one of the highest crime rates in the world. Logistics and infrastructure is in an advanced state of decline, and corruption is endemic. None of us should expect that these problems will be simply solved overnight.
Ongqongqoshe baqeqeshwa ngaphansi kwesikhungo esifana ne-National School of Governance uqinisekisa ukuthi bawenza ngendlela nangokubambisana umsebenzi wabo.
During the times of transition, it becomes very important to understand the political psychology of the interaction between the incoming minister, the DG, the DDGs, chief directors, and the rest of the staff, and also with the staff that the minister comes with.
Ufikeni uthi kuzoba ngcono uma ongqongqoshe bezokwazi ukuxoxisana nabanye abantu ngaphambi kokuthi bathathe izinqumo ukuze bezothola ukwesekwa okufanele.
Some people had worked on certain programs which were approved. Now to change those, you wouldn't come and say, this is how we're going to do this, let's discard this. You sit down and say, let's look at what can be salvaged, but my priorities are the following.
Encwadini yakhe ayibhala ngeMsombuluko, uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthe uhulumeni maduze nje uzosingatha umhlangano wawo wokuqala ilihutla ukuze kusungulwe uhlelo uhulumeni ozosebenza ngaphansi kwalo kuleminyaka emihlanu ezayo.